Oh boy, oh boy. It has been a very rough morning. I don't know how this video is going to come out, but I just got finished testing the Red Max 5000 that I have ported up for Forest out in California. And my God, it's so disappointing. It's only 1 second faster than a complete stocker. There's something going on. There's something broken. I have taken from my Red Max and switched all of the components over. The coil, the flywheel, the carburetor, the spark plug, everything. And it still is running just as consistently bad as it did before. And this is with a fully ported cylinder and a muffler mod. And just a muffler mod alone on those saws makes a huge difference. But this one, it's just running like shit. Something's wrong with it. And I can't do a proper compression test because you have that little teeny tiny spark plug. And my compression tester won't fit in it. Anyways, but here we go. Let's do something happy. I've got 3 packages here that I am happy about. Starting off with this one, which I've actually had for about a week now. And hopefully tomorrow or the next day, I'll get a chance to actually put it to good use. This comes from Super Dave. Look up Super Dave's channel. If you can't find it, just put in Super Dave chainsaw. You know? He does a lot of work with echoes. Holy crap, this is an actual echo part and stuff. Man, he is very generous and is excellent to the channel. Thank you, Super Dave. What this is an actual kit to use for checking for leaks. So let's see, I've never seen one of these. Hot damn diggity. Oh no, I bet you that goes in. It says 10mm test plug tool. Holy crap. That might actually go in to my 10mm spark plug for the Red Max so that I can actually do a leak test on it. Oh God. I mean, this is my first time seeing one of these kits. And so I don't even know what's in them. Look at this. This is for your 14mm. It doesn't say 14mm, but yeah. This is a 14mm hookup right here. So that's for your standard spark plug. I don't know if that's focusing in or not. That's going to be for your standard spark plug, and hopefully this is for your 10mm spark plug, which means I'll be able to test that Red Max as well. And then, last but not least, it looks like there's some rubber bits. Yeah, and the only thing that you do with the rubber bits, as far as I know, is you drill a hole, drill 2 holes, you know, so that you can put it on the muffler bolts go through it, and then bolt the muffler on. And so you've blocked up the exhaust port. And you do the same thing over here, but with the carburetor side. So yippee-ki-yay, mother truckers. And a very nice little, this is a fail, front end loader. Nice little adjustment screwdriver for the carb. That's excellent. Thank you very much. I will put those to good work and teach people more about how to work on these chainsaws. Next up, this guy right here, very excited about it. This comes also from, well, not also, this is from California. I was talking about Forrest. He's from California. So this is my Steel 064. I got a viewer of the channel who basically wanted to, I guess me saying put up or shut up kind of rung a bell with him. And he's like, I got to do something. And so he offered to port my 064. Now, with a saw like this, I wasn't going to just send it out to just anybody, you know. So I did my research with him, talked with some other people. Yeah, he's trustworthy. Yeah, he can actually do a good port job. Because an 064, at this point right now, this saw's probably worth $800 or more. I don't know. Got some nice West Coast dogs on there. And a factory wide cover so the chips can really get exhausted out. I had a foam filter on here that it was on its last legs, and so we're good to go. Look forward to running this. If you want to see videos of it before I run it, just look up his channel. It's called Leave Nothing Stock. It's a small channel too, so the easiest way to find it would probably be to type in Leave Nothing Stock Bodie's 064. Very cool. Let's see what the compression. A lot more compression than it had, but nothing crazy. That thing's going to be nice, man. It's got a dual port muffler set up on it now. It's got, I think this was original to it, for out the side, and then it comes out the front as well. So, my guess is this thing's going to boogie woogie. And he sent me a, I sent him the chain and he sharpened it up for me. And I got some West Coast breaker gauges. I've been wanting these. Yeah, baby. Good stuff. But we're not running that right now. What's the LNS stand for, Jeff? His last name's Seacombe. So maybe Lunatic Nut Seacombe built? Is that what it stands for? That's all there is in there. And now for the really, really, really important stuff. You guys probably don't know it, but I sold my dire wolf. That's right. I sold it to Rex. In the condition I built it, you know. So, the only thing I kept the full wrap handle. But I sold him my 620 dire wolf that started life as a 590. Simply so that I could purchase one of these. Yeah, baby! I'm so excited, and ain't gonna hide it. I'm about to lose control, and I really like it. That's a song I wrote. So, in my use of all my chainsaws, I have really come to enjoy the Echo 590/620. They build up extremely well, and they're freaking awesome. Solid as a rock. Great saws. The only problem is they're not a Shindaiwa. So I literally sold my 620 so that I could buy me an Echo 600SX. I'm sorry, a Shindaiwa 600SX, which I am massively excited about because now I will build this baby up and do a different theme on it. No more direwolf theme. And while I was at it, I went ahead and said, to heck with it. Oh, Shindaiwa, nice. I'm gonna go ahead and take this opportunity, even if I don't use this big bar. It was only like $10 more to get the big bar. So I got the 27-inch bar, which is it's a 28-inch. It's a 28-inch bar. Very nice. It's 93 drive links, same as a Husqvarna 28-inch bar. It's just Echo. They just call it 27. So this right here, honestly, I don't think I'm even going to use it. I'm just going to hang it and leave it like that because I've got plenty of 28-inch bars that'll work on this, no problem. So I think this one right here is just going to stay just like that. But there you go. Big day. Thank you from the post office or UPS, whoever sent me all this cool stuff. So what we got is a leak detection kit, basically, so that I can pump compressed air into my cylinder and check for leaks with soapy bubbles. We'll get a video of that. I got my 064 from Jeff Seacombe. Check him out at Leave Nothing Stock. That's his channel. If you want to find the easiest way to find it, put in Leave Nothing Stock Bodie's 064 and you'll see a video of this, and brother does it look bad. It looks badass. And then I finally got the Echo 600 SX. Now, tell me if I'm right or if I'm wrong. I believe this is the old version and the new version is the 601 SX. Is that right? Or is it just me? If so, what is the difference between the 600 and the 601? You know, what's the difference? Did they get even cooler? God, that's awesome. That is so freaking awesome, and I love it. Man. Coolness. All right, that's enough for this video. And I needed it. I needed a happy little video because that Red Max 5000 has me lit up. I'm like, what is going on? Totally livid. I'm mad at that thing. Anyways, check you later.